So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a business account with Revolut and take you through the step-by-step process. Now, creating a Revolut business account is quite simple, but I would advise making sure that you have as much information about your business to hand before applying, just as the more information you can provide Revolut about your business, the smoother the application process should be for you. But first things first, you'll want to head to the Revolut website and go to the Business tab. I'll also leave a link below in the description. But from there, you'll just want to go ahead and sign up in the top right corner. From there, you'll just want to select the country your business is based in. So for myself, it's the UK. But of course, if you're from America, Australia, or wherever else, you can use this tab here to search for it. Then from there, you'll just want to select what type of business it is. So that could be anything from a limited company to operating as a sole trader. Then from there, you'll just need to go ahead and confirm your email address as well as your phone number. And it should bring you through to this page here where you can then go ahead and create a password for your new Revolut business account. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to enter your full name along with your date of birth, and then you'll be asked for your address. So for this part, make sure you enter your residential address as opposed to your business. Then the next step from here, you'll just want to find your company on the company register. I would assume this stage could be different for others depending on how companies are registered in your specific country. But for example, in the UK, you have Companies House, so you'll just want to search your company number into the search tab and find the limited company you're trading under. Then once you've found your company, you'll just want to confirm the details along with your company address, and then this should bring you through to the ID section. So for this part, I'd recommend switching over to your phone, just as you'll need to scan ID and do verification checks. There is a Revolut Business App where you can do this, so I'll also leave a link for that below too. But once you've done that, you can then log back into desktop, and then it should pull you through back to this page here where you can see your application progress. So with personal ID and business details completed, we can then move on to the next step, which is the nature of the business. Then from here, you'll just need to select all the things you intend to use your business account for, such as sending and receiving payments or paying staff. Then you'll just need to select how many payments you'll make a month, as well as estimating your business monthly expenses, as well as how much you'll transfer at one time. Then once you've done that, you'll be asked for your company size and estimated annual turnover. Next, you'll be asked to explain who your customers are. So this is them more asking, are you more business to business, or is your client base mostly individuals? Then the next question asks how you sell as a business. This is them more asking, do you have a physical store, or do you sell products online or through social media, for example? Then if you do have a website, you'll just be asked to provide a link. Again, this does include social media links too. So if you don't have a website, maybe you just have an Instagram handle, for example, this is where you'd link it instead. So for this next part, you'll be asked to explain all the key parts about your business, in particular what you do and who you sell to. So for this part, I would advise taking time to fill in as much detail as possible. Of course, if you linked a website earlier, this will help support everything you write in this section. But definitely do take some time to fill out this section because again, the more information you provide, the quicker it will speed up the process. Then once you've done that, you'll then be given some categories to choose from depending on what you answered about your business previously. So again, just select the category that best applies for your business. So for this business I'm setting up, it's an events-based company, so that's why I've clicked events and entertainment. Then from there, you'll then be asked if your business sells goods or services. Then from there, you'll then be asked which countries your business operates in. So if you are based in more than one country, you'll just be asked to add it to the list here. Then once you've done that, you can then move on to the next section, which is your business address. So again, nice and easy, you'll just want to confirm your business address, and that's all you need to do for that section. Then your next step is listing your business structure. So that includes all the main shareholders, and if there's any other directors in your business, this is where you'll then need to list them out. But if it's just yourself, you can then go ahead and click confirm. Then this then leads us nicely onto the final part where you can then go ahead and decide which Revolut package you want. Of course, the basic Revolut business plan is completely free, so if you're not after any extras, you can just go basic. But depending on your business, you can have a look at the paid plans to see if any do make sense. One of the main perks that comes with a premium Revolut package is that you'll get more free transfers. So if you are a business that transfers money regularly, this might make sense to do, but if you're not sure yet, you can always decide later. Then once you've decided which plan you want, you can then go ahead, choose which business bank card you'd like to order, and then you've successfully sent off your application. And once you've done that, it's simply just a waiting game, waiting for Revolut to approve your application. So normally you should find out within a few hours, but it might take up to a day. But once your application has been approved, that is it, and you've successfully got a Revolut business account. But overall, that's pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to assist you. And thanks again for watching.